The U.S. Attorney General said Wednesday that there was a high bar to bring federal civil rights charges in the killing of black teenager Trayvon Martin.
The primary responsibility we have in the Justice Department is to support the state in its ongoing investigation, to do our own thorough and parallel investigation, which we are in the process of doing, and try to resolve this matter in as fair and complete a way and as quickly as we can, and we're doing that as well.
George Zimmerman, the Neighborhood Watch volunteer who shot the unarmed 17-year-old on February 26th, is in police custody and faces second-degree murder charges.
We have a very high barrier that we have to, high bar that we have to meet in order to bring federal charges in this case, and so we are continuing in that regard. The FBI has been on the scene doing forensic things to try to build that case, while at the same time we're helping the state in its attempts to build a case as well.
Reverend Al Sharpton said the case of Trayvon Martin reflected the double standard of the legal system.
This case is a case to us that represents far too often what happens in our communities, where there is a double standard. We are not seeking to convict anybody. We're seeking to stop them from acquitting someone without a trial. We are not trying to rush to judgment. We are trying to stop the rush to judgment that Mr. Zimmerman apparently made on the night of February 26th. Let us remember, and a lot of the media in many ways distort this, Trayvon Martin committed no crime. He had no weapon, and he had every legal right to be where he was. The rush to judgment was those that moved against him, said he was suspicious, and took his life.
Trayvon Martin's mother, Sabrina Fulton, said she felt confident that justice would be served.
For the last 44 days, it has been a nightmare, and this is coming from a mother's perspective. I have been up and down as if I was on a roller coaster. But I know, beyond a shadow of a doubt, that justice will be served.
Angela Corey, the special prosecutor appointed by Governor Rick Scott to re-examine the case, announced she would be seeking the steepest charge against Zimmerman. Zimmerman turned himself into the police, but Corey did not specify where Zimmerman is being held, citing concern for his safety. Martin's parents didn't express joy over the charges against Zimmerman, but did thank the individuals across the nation who mobilized to offer their support and demand justice for Trayvon. Jessica Minton, IB Times TV.